Behind every web page is a mess of letters, numbers, and symbols that bring it to life. Ever right-click on a web page and select View Source? The string of odd numbers, letters, and symbols is the HTML source code. HyperText Markup language, or HTML, is a text-based approach to describing a structure of a web page's content. HTML tells a browser, like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari, how to display the text, images, and other elements on a web page. To specify location and display instructions, HTML relies on a special syntax comprised of tags or structural commands. For instance, tags can indicate where a body of text starts and ends. Every HTML element has an opening tag, content in the middle, and a closing tag. Because HTML is completely text-based, with the code literally just typed out, just about any text editor can write or edit an HTML file, including basic programs like Notepad. HTML is native to every browser, easy to learn, free to use, and can be integrated with other back-end programming languages. But while it's widely used, it does not have dynamic functionality, limiting it to static web pages, and requires separate component creation. Additionally, newer features might not be compatible with older browsers. For instance, some newer tags from HTML5, a recent HTML update, are supported by some browsers but ignored by others.